Hi, we are a pro ski rental in Tallwil. We want to explain you our new press we made this winter season. We are working actually through the whole season with this press. First of all, everybody know the press, the yellow one, or however, the press is something you work on boots, you're expanding ski boots. First of all, the normal press, we all know, you go in, you push it and you go through the overlap, for example to the hallux, to expand them over there, to give them more room in the hallux. What we made this year, because what we don't like, it's all the time going through the overlap in the ski boots, you know, or like boots are now a little close over here, so it's really hard to go through here and going further here to the hallux, to expanding the boots, or even outside of the boots really far on the front. It was also really hard to expand them. So what we made from this press, we made differently. We made a movable down part. This part is movable. You have a cork, like a little bench here where you can look on. So you turn the below part to the side. You fix them here really easily. Then we have a second part on our press. This part we just put on here. Put on here. That one goes inside. Easy system. It's brand new, the press, so it's a little bit, everything goes a little bit harder on the beginning. It have to. So now we made like this thing here. So this one you lock over here. So now what you can see here, we have kind of an angle. We made like a boot angle. So what it's now, we talk about the same thing like before, but we never think about overlap anymore. So what we do now is just take the boots, go in like the ski boots are. See? Then we have like two choices to use. People have still, for example, from the hydraulic press, these things you can put on here. And then, excuse me, what we made also here, it's a small screw to fix them. You know, so you can also, some boots you see through the shell, so you can see a little bit where you want to pinch. So you can turn the way you like it. We also have the whole thing in our set here. We have our wood piece. So I put that in, I see where I want to fix them. I lock them, good. And then I take the boots again, I go in over here. So now I can see through the plastic where I want to bench, or what we also like is you have a good handling. So you don't have to take with another set to spread out the boots, go in with, for example, the Rocco or something. It's a similar way. Here, you just here and now you're relaxed. Now you can see, you heat first the boots, really important. Heat the boots. Then we made our other tools. This tool here, it's open on this side, so the boots doesn't pinch in on both sides. Or some ski boots are made design way, you know. So now you can always choose a little bit the way you wanna have them. Here I have this small Kupfer. I don't know this one in English.
Cooper.
Huh?
Cooper.
Hooper.
Cooper, yeah.
Cooper. So we put this here. Now you can see where you want to bench, you know. But what you see now, you can go really, really far to the front and benching over here, or more on the fifth toe over here. And then you just pull, you lift them here, you know, to get more room. No problem. And then it's not warm everything, so great part. Always I forget using some cork or something put that between, so we don't hit the plastic, scratch the plastic. So that is one side. You can all go on the back, and it's lean here, so it's an easy work, excuse me. The same thing now, lift this, open again, close here, turn it over here, the way you like. The way you want it. And the same thing really easily for the hooks. Perfect. So that's one part we really love on the press. Easy handling, not going through the overlap. But the really great part in the ski boots, all of you know, if you like to expand the boots, most of you people using the hydraulic press. So for example, you take the ski boots. Some of people screw into the sole of the ski boots so the boot stays in shape, doesn't go like this. You put the pieces in, you pump, you put one more piece in, a lot of work. That's never happened anymore in our press. That's some really... Okay. So the great part here, take that out again. That goes away. You're losing up here. You go the lower part here, you go all the way down. You lock it. You have an extra piece here. These people already know. So that wood part we made, it's a little bit, we just lift them up here a little bit, so when we bending the boot, so we don't lower here too much. I want to say here. So back to the press. With that one people know already. So we put that in, what I made now on that one, also that one you can fix. So it's not turning around too much. But the great part now, what we have, especially on the Fisher vacuum, are really sensitive ski boots, plastic to expand. So here we just go in here like that. You see the boots are in the air. So then we made a press, a thing here. You see like an L. Well, some of the factories they made tools that pinching in here. You know when you hear them. We don't want to scratch the boots on the area, on the toe area. So we just go to the toe here. Go to the toe here. Also using this again, everything moves better. You go down here. That for sure now you have to longer them up. But you see now here. You heat the boots really sensitive, and now, especially the Fisher vacuum, you can expand them slowly. The great part now here, we only expand from this area up to the front. And really easy handling, not like you're doing the hydraulic way, putting pieces in, oh, still too short. What I also want to say, you can expand the whole thing with the liner. Keep the liner in and expand them with the liner. So that's the fantastic part. You have one press, you can do the sideway of the boots, you can do the hooks, you can do the ankle, you can do the toe. So one press using for mostly problems in the ski boots. And the easy handling. If you have any questions about our press, we have the whole thing on our website. You also can buy the Pro Press. You can contact us, and we will write you a mail how it is, how everything costs. this is something you can keep for the next 20 years of boot fitting, and it's one tool for everything. So thanks a lot, and we hope you are giving us some feedback. Thanks.